Apple's Mac Mini has long been celebrated for its compact design and impressive performance. As we approach the end of 2025, anticipation builds around the release of the M5 Mac Mini. This next-generation device is expected to bring significant upgrades, leveraging Apple's advancements in silicon technology. In this article, we'll explore the expected features, performance improvements, design changes, and more, providing a comprehensive look at what the M5 Mac Mini might offer. 1. Evolution of the Mac Mini. A brief history. The Mac Mini debuted in 2005 as Apple's most affordable and compact desktop computer. Over the years, it has undergone several transformations, both in design and internal components. The transition to Apple Silicon marked a significant milestone, with the M1 chip introducing remarkable performance gains and energy efficiency. The M4 Mac Mini. In late 2024, Apple released the M4 Mac Mini, featuring a redesigned chassis and upgraded internals. The M4 model came with a 10-core CPU and GPU, 16 GB of RAM, and 256 GB of storage, while the M4 Pro variant offered enhanced specifications, including Thunderbolt 5 support. 2. Anticipated features of the M5 Mac Mini. Enhanced performance with M5 and M5 Pro chips. The M5 Mac Mini is expected to be powered by Apple's next-generation M5 and M5 Pro chips. These chips are anticipated to be built on TSMC's advanced 3nm process, offering improved performance and energy efficiency. M5 chip, likely to feature a 10-core CPU and a 12-core GPU, providing a balanced performance for everyday tasks and moderate workloads. M5 Pro chip, expected to boast a 12-core CPU and an 18-core GPU, catering to professionals requiring higher computational power for tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and software development. Increased RAM and storage options. Apple may maintain the base RAM configurations at 16 GB for the M5 and 24 GB for the M5 Pro. However, higher RAM options could be introduced to accommodate more demanding applications. Storage capacities are anticipated to start at 512 GB for the M5 and 1 TB for the M5 Pro, addressing the growing need for larger local storage. Advanced connectivity. The M5 Mac Mini is expected to support the latest connectivity standards, including Thunderbolt 5, providing faster data transfer rates and improved external display support. Wi-Fi 7, offering enhanced wireless performance and lower latency. Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring better connectivity with peripherals and accessories. These advancements will enhance the Mac Mini's versatility in various professional and personal setups. 3. Design and build. Continuation of the compact form factor. The M5 Mac Mini is likely to retain the compact and minimalist design introduced with the M4 model. The sleek chassis, measuring approximately 5 by 5 inches, offers a space-saving solution without compromising on performance. This array of ports ensures compatibility with a wide range of peripherals and displays, catering to diverse user needs. 4. Software and ecosystem integration. macOS compatibility. The M5 Mac Mini will ship with the latest version of macOS, optimized to leverage the capabilities of the M5 and M5 Pro chips. Users can expect seamless performance, enhanced security features, and improved multitasking capabilities. Integration with Apple ecosystem. As part of Apple's ecosystem, the M5 Mac Mini will offer seamless integration with other Apple devices, including iPhones, iPads, and Apple Watches. Features like handoff, universal clipboard, and AirDrop will enhance productivity and user experience. 5. Target audience and use cases. Creative professionals. With its powerful M5 Pro chip, the Mac Mini will cater to creative professionals engaged in tasks like video editing, music production, and graphic design. The enhanced GPU performance and increased RAM will facilitate smooth workflows and faster rendering times. Software developers. Developers will benefit from the M5 Mac Mini's robust processing capabilities, enabling efficient code compilation, testing, and deployment. The device's compatibility with various development environments makes it a versatile tool for software engineering. General consumers. For everyday users, the base M5 model will offer a reliable and efficient computing experience, suitable for tasks like web browsing, document editing, and media consumption. 6. Pricing and availability. Expected pricing. While official pricing has not been announced, the M5 Mac Mini is anticipated to maintain a competitive price point. M5 base model, starting at $599. M5 Pro model, starting at $1,399. Upgrades in RAM and storage will likely increase the overall cost, allowing users to customize the device based on their specific needs. Release timeline. The M5 Mac Mini is expected to launch in late 2025, potentially around November, aligning with Apple's typical release schedule. However, delays could push the release into early 2026. 7. Comparison with previous models. Performance improvements. Compared to the M4 Mac Mini, the M5 variant is expected to offer enhanced CPU and GPU performance, thanks to the new M5 and M5 Pro chips. Improved energy efficiency, resulting in quieter operation and lower power consumption. Faster data transfer rates, with the inclusion of Thunderbolt 5 and Wi-Fi 7. Design consistency. While the internal components will see significant upgrades, the external design is likely to remain consistent with the M4 model, maintaining the compact and minimalist aesthetic. 8. Potential challenges and considerations. Upgradability. As with previous Mac Mini models, the M5 variant may have limited upgradability, with RAM and storage likely soldered onto the motherboard. Users should carefully consider their future needs when selecting configurations. Competition. The M5 Mac Mini will face competition from other compact desktops and mini PCs in the market. However, Apple's integration of hardware and software, along with its ecosystem, provides a unique value proposition. 9. Conclusion. The upcoming M5 Mac Mini is poised to be a significant upgrade in Apple's compact desktop lineup. With powerful new chips, enhanced connectivity, and a sleek design, it promises to cater to a wide range of users, from creative professionals to general consumers. As we await its official release, the M5 Mac Mini stands as a testament to Apple's commitment to innovation and performance in a compact form factor.